What's up guys? Are you looking for the best dash cam in your budget? Today's video is on the top 5 best dash cam in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, quality, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. The fifth product on our list is the Cobra Smart Dash Cam. As far as pure visual performance, the Cobra C400D was the best dash cam we tested thanks to its 4K resolution. We agreed that its video footage genuinely looked the best too. We found the touchscreen to be easy to operate and responsive, and the Cobra uses its proprietary DriveSmarter app to provide police alerts and other driver reports. If we had one minor grumble, it would be that the mount only swivels forward and backward, not side to side. However, the wide angle of the lens practically eliminates the need to do so. The Cobra secures to the windshield via a large sticky pad for the mount and a very strong magnet for the camera itself. Of course, this kind of quality and sheer amount of features add up in cost. But if you're serious about purchasing a dash cam, we love this one. Up next in the fourth place is the Garmin Z10S2504 Dash Cam. The Garmin Mini 2 is an excellent choice for someone looking to keep their dash cam discreet and out of the way. It's compact enough to tuck behind your rearview mirror if so desired. The app functionality is quite nice as well, and the 1080p matched up well against the competition despite its diminutive size. While it's a nice set and forget dash cam, we found that it's a bit tricky to determine whether everything is set up correctly without checking it via the app. The lack of a screen makes it difficult to see if the camera is lined up properly. Additionally, there are a few different lights that blink on the cam, and it's confusing at first to know what they all mean. But once you get that all set, the Garmin Mini 2 is a solid choice for a tiny dash cam. The third product on our list is the 70mm 4K Dash Cam A800S. For less than $150, the 70mm A800S captures clear 4K video, even in less than ideal lighting. It's also fairly feature-packed for the price, with dual-channel support, built-in GPS, driver assist warnings, and more. You can easily review videos in the car or adjust all of these settings using its built-in 3-inch display. You can enable parking mode, though it requires a $20 hardwire kit. The great price and solid features come with a few caveats, though. Users report that the 70mm Companion app has both connectivity and UI issues on iOS and Android. It also struggles in sub-freezing temperatures, so make sure to take it out of your car during the winter. All that aside, the A800S offers a lot of functionality and high-resolution video for a very affordable price. That's not too shabby. Second on our list is the Thinkware X1000 Dual-Channel Dash Cam. If you prefer not to connect your dash cam to your phone, the Thinkware X1000 is a robust, dual-sided dash cam with plenty of features and is relatively easy to use without an app. It sports a large 3.5-inch touch display and a straightforward onboard user interface. Both the front and rear-facing cameras record in QHD, though they work surprisingly well in less than ideal driving conditions. The Thinkware X1000 also boasts an impressive temperature rating thanks to a capacitor, parking mode, and an optional GPS accessory that unlocks a range of driver assist features. It even comes with a 32GB microSD card to store and transfer your footage. Unfortunately, this dash cam comes with one big caveat. You'll need to wire the rear camera to your car's electrical system, which requires either better than average automotive know-how or professional installation. Once it's set up, the X1000 is easy to use. Finally, the top product on our list is the REDTIGER Dash Cam. The REDTIGER Dash Cam redefines vehicular security with its sophisticated real-time monitoring and intelligent event detection systems. It's not merely a passive observer. It's a proactive and vigilant guardian that remains alert at all times. Through its advanced sensors and algorithms, this dash cam actively scans the road, swiftly identifying potential hazards, unexpected incidents, or any abnormal events. This system doesn't just record, it intervenes when necessary, capturing crucial moments and preserving them in high-definition clarity. The continuous record it maintains offers a comprehensive account of your travels, acting as a silent witness that can be relied upon in any unexpected situation. Its intelligent surveillance elevates the standard of vehicular security, fostering a heightened sense of safety and accountability for drivers and passengers alike, whether navigating through congested urban streets or cruising along winding highways. This dash cam ensures that you're not just seeing the road ahead, you're seeing the complete picture. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and check out the description for links to updated pricing for products mentioned in the video. Until next time.